The Washington Commanders and Manchester United's owners are both exploring the potential sale of their teams. Despite Manchester United being a more successful team with a global following of 1 billion fans, the Commanders' potential bids are estimated to exceed $6 billion, whereas Manchester United has yet to secure bids for a similar amount. It has outlined the economic differences between the NFL, of which the Commanders are part, and the English Premier League, where Manchester United plays. It highlights that the NFL has a superior economic structure that evenly divides all national revenue among its 32 teams, whereas the Premier League distributes media revenue based on merit, with better teams earning more. The NFL players receive a maximum of 48.8% of those media contracts, while the owners receive the rest. The Premier League's media deals are typically smaller and shorter. Furthermore, the NFL has a salary cap which stabilizes labor costs, while the Premier League has fewer limits on payroll, which can lead to expensive and even crippling bidding wars for players. There are only 32 NFL teams, with little chance of expansion, which keeps prices high, while the Premier League has more teams and franchises to choose from. It is stated that Manchester United has been losing more than $100 million in each of the last 2 years, and has more than $600 million in debt, which might explain the difference in bids. In contrast, the Commanders are a part of the NFL, which is a more profitable league due to its economic structure and broadcast deals, and even the poorest performing teams make a profit. Finally, Manchester United's stock price was below $14 before reports of a possible sale in November, where it traded when it was first publicly listed in 2012.